After Dragos finished creating the 3D model with foam, it was Alex's turn to scan the entire model and bring it into digital form for us to further refine the design. Refining the design in CAD is incredibly tedious. Alex spent over 150 hours making sure the mold fit perfectly on the frame. Alex and Dragos worked hand in hand to refine the design in CAD, making every change that was necessary. And as they would make little changes here and there, new issues would arise, causing them to change the design in little ways even further. Though we have a better idea of what the end result will eventually look like through the foam design, the design will continue to grow. As we 3D print what we have refined in CAD, use that print to create a mold, lay materials into the mold to create the body, and then mount the body and make small adjustments to account for additional parts.